All right, today we're going to talk about parallel structure. And in math, what do parallel lines do or don't do?
They never end, but they never intersect.
Yeah. So they never intersect, they never come together. When you're doing this in writing, it's when the writer uses the same grammatical form for two or more items in a series. So you're using the same grammar, so they keep going in parallel ways. It makes it easier to read when you write that way. So here's an example. I hunted, searched, and begged for an apartment. Person did three things. Each one of the three is in a past tense verb. So that's parallel. Now, their problems with parallel come up because as we write or we talk, we kind of know what's going on and we kind of come up with things differently. So here's something that's wrong. My routine was to wake at 6, to run for the paper, and checking every rental ad before breakfast. That is not parallel, okay? Because the first thing they do is to wake at 6, and then they to run for the paper and checking. This should be a to verb, okay, an infinitive. So this is the correct one. My routine was to wake at 6, to run for the paper, and to check every rental ad before breakfast. Now we've got parallel structure, okay? So we made all the parts match grammatically. Here's another wrong one. A renter must look sensibly, carefully, and with caution at new apartments. Well, this is out of parallel because these two are ending in ly. They're adverbs. This one's not. It's a prepositional phrase. We switch it. Must look sensibly, carefully, and cautiously at new apartments. Now it's parallel. Here's another one. They may hide them under their pillows, in their bedding, or keep them under their beds. That doesn't sound as bad as the other two, but it still is. As we look at what we've got, hot verb, them, prepositional phrase. Wait a minute, excuse me. The hide them goes with all of them. Prepositional phrase, that's not a preposition. Take that out, then you've got it. Then it's a prepositional phrase. You need to do that to make it all parallel. Questions? All right. All right, clicker time. Which of these is better? Okay. Oops. Correct answer is number 2. Okay. So, Mike did what he did not only from spite, noun, but because he was mean, from one word and a phrase. That's not parallel. From spite and from meanness, 2 nouns. That's parallel. Okay, you thought you had it. Oops, don't quite have it. Try another one. Which of these two is better? Let me make it so you can see them all. Okay. Yes, number 2 is correct on this one. Bill Strong is a person who has wide experience and good common sense. Another way to tell if you're parallel is to split up something that's compound like this and make it into 2 sentences. Bill Strong is a person who has wide experience. Bill Strong is a person who has good common sense. That works. If I tried that up here, Bill Strong is a person whose experience is wide. Bill Strong is a person who's has good common sense. It doesn't make sense, so that's not parallel. Okay? All right.